In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use GnuCash. Go first, download and install GnuCash on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the program to get started. When GnuCash launches, choose the option to create a new set of accounts. This will begin the setup process for your accounting file. Next, select the account categories that best fit your personal or business finances. GnuCash provides several common account types, so choose the ones that match how you plan to track your money. After that, set your default currency. This ensures your accounts and reports are created using the correct monetary format. If you already have balances in your bank accounts, cash accounts, or other financial accounts, enter those opening balances during setup. This gives you an accurate starting point. Once that is done, save your new GnuCash file in a location you can easily find later. Now take a moment to get familiar with the main interface. You will mainly work with the accounts list, transaction registers, and reporting tools. To begin entering activity, double-click any account to open its register. This is where you record the details of each transaction. To add a new transaction, click New, or use the empty transaction line in the register. Enter the date first, then add a clear description of the transaction. After that, choose the transfer account. This tells GnuCash where the money is coming from or going to. Then enter the amount. Once all the details are entered, save the transaction. You can repeat this same process to record income, expenses, transfers between accounts, and any other financial activity you want to track. As you continue entering transactions, your account balances will update automatically. When you want to review your finances, open the Reports menu. From there, you can generate useful financial reports such as the income statement and balance sheet. These reports help you understand how much money you are earning, spending, and currently holding across your accounts. It is a good idea to regularly review your account balances and reports to make sure your records are complete and accurate. Checking your data often can help you catch mistakes early and keep your books organized. Before closing GnuCash, save your work so that all recent changes are stored properly. That way, your financial records stay up to date and ready for the next session. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.